Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to be talking about AliDropship custom stores. These are already pre-designed stores that are ready for you to make use of them and make sense for yourself. So guys, if you want to get into AliDropship and you want to know whether the custom stores are good for you or not, guys, I will be showing you 5 people that have said something about these stores. So you need to hear from them and know what they are experiencing from these stores. So if it's what you want to learn, let's continue from this video and let's learn from them and know what they are doing and what they are saying about the stores, guys. So let's get to the video now.
Hello everybody, I'm Dimitris from Greece.
I'm Wendy from the Czech Republic, and we like to share with you our perfect experience with AliDropship.
I would like to say that we had no experience about e-commerce at all. We had a small research on the internet, and finally we have decided to buy from AliDropship premium stores, the classic store, Buy It Carl, along with the marketing package and the Social Rabbit plugin. And like this, we started our journey.
Yeah, and now we are really grateful for AliDropship team support, especially for our AliDropship premium manager, Larisa Ogurtsova. Thank you, Larisa, for coordinating all the team for us, and that will help us really a lot. Thank you very much for quick responses, quick solving of every our issues, for your support, precious advices, recommendations, and solutions that are really the best for our store, as was proved by the time.
Thank you, AliDropship team, for your help. Special thanks to Larisa Ogurtsova. Thank you, Larisa, for your precise solutions and for your good energy. I want to recommend also to everybody to start with AliDropship stores. It's safe and the easiest way to jump into the e-commerce world.
Yeah, it's really unique chance and opportunity for everybody. So be positive, keep your eyes open, because the opportunities are coming and AliDropship is definitely one of them.
Be aware of yourselves, be aware of your thoughts and of what you want to do now. No matter what is going on, there are always new ways, and AliDropship is one of these ways. So step out of your comfort zone and take action. Now is the best time
ever.
Hi, this is Ivan. At first, I had no idea about this kind of field, but I like to make a change for my life. Then I checked out the AliDropship webpage and had a little consult with one of the agents there. And they sent me back the email, which was from Tatiana. Since then, she was my representative agent who helped me to build my own web page. And from that time, every time I had a problem with my WordPress, I went to her and consult all my problem till now. She is really helpful to solve my problem, which still I can't fully understand it for every detail, such as how to work on the Facebook ads manager, how to promote my product and web store to people all over the world. Well, I hope this will work on better way for my understandable. I hope it will be better. Thank you, Tatiana, and God bless you.
Hey, this is Tony Falaska, and I want to say a real good thing about my representative, Tatiana. I came to dropshipping? Yes, I came to AliDropshipping, kind of searching to see what it had. Awesome websites, awesome setup, everything. Wonderful prices. I love it. I'll be back for many more. But I just wanted to say, when I first got in, I had a little trouble with the WordPress, the site and the back page. I took it to Tatiana. Like I said before, she's my representative, and I took it to her. She came back, brought an email real quick, had pictures, everything. I mean, just helped me out all the way. I just want to say thank you, Tatiana, and God bless.
Yeah, I'm called Charlie Dixon. I live in Brazil. I'm an owner of an online store which I bought from AliDropshipping. I actually deal in car parts and car accessories. And in fact, I bought this store, and within the space of 2, 3, 4, 5 days, the store was already given to me. I started running it immediately. Actually, I had some experience with other stores like World Remedy Store and Shopify, but I did not actually put more interest in it because it was not actually what I wanted. So I had to go to AliDropshipping. Why? Because first of all, I buy most of my goods from AliExpress. So I knew that since they have a tie with with most of the suppliers there, I knew that it's going to be a perfect store for me. And I choose the Ali experts to build a store for me because actually I have no idea about all about IT studies. So I had to choose the AliExpress because from when I read about their stories, I realized that they are very great people. I mean, great technicians who can actually, present and then give me a store that would actually suit me. Yeah, so everything was very cool, and up to now, I'm running the store very well. I want to thank my manager, Elena, who has actually been there for me. She has been assisting me in all aspects. She's a wonderful lady. I want to thank the whole team of AliDropshipping as a whole for their great job that they've done for me so far. They will be answering all my questions and they'll be putting me on track. So I'm very, very pleased with everything that I have. I encourage more people to try to get these stores because they are very, 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 very good and they will never regret it. I'm very happy about everything. Thank you, AliDropshipping. Thank you. Thank you.
Hello, I am Deepak Kakar from Rajkot, Gujarat, India. I am proud owner of AliDropship premium store, namely lovelydriver.com. I have just purchased it. I started my journey with the AliDropship on 15th June. I paid on the 15th June and on 14th July I got my store. It is a good experience to have a AliDropship store. My project manager is Miss Tatiana. She is very much helpful and supportive and helped me throughout the journey from the order to delivery of the store. I want to grow along with the AliDropship as they mentions, and I am also hopeful that Miss Tatiana will support me forever until my store is running. Thank you very much.
Hi guys, thank you for watching, and if you want to get any custom store, use the link below the video and you get awesome discount from Alidroship from that store. So use the link below this video and get access to it now. Thank you. Bye.